Thank you very much. Today I will discuss the 4-digit number for class 3, and based on 4-digit number I am going to discuss many parameters like number name and forward and backward counting, meaning of more and less number, place value and face value. The title of today's lecture will be 4-digit number part 1. Here I am going to discuss about the number name, place value and face value. All questions will be depending on this 4-digit number. And I also give some question for the practice. So the example 1. Write the number name and as I have mentioned, the numbers and numerals are the same. Name of the following four-digit number. 4-digit number. One is done for a student. What are these 4-digit number? I am just giving A, three, 1, 1, 4, B, 2, 3, 9, 9, C, 4, 3, 0, 1, D, 5, 4, 3, 1, E, 8, 6, 9, 9, F, 9, 9, 9, 9. I will give you the solution of any one of the number. Let us take I am talking of the F question. So solution for case F. So I have to tell about numbers name of these things. Just say step 1. Write. Once we talk of the 4-digit number, means first digit is ones, second digit is tens, third is 100 and fourth is 10,000. That is very, very important. So write O, T, H and TH above 4-digit number. Listen carefully. What is the number? 9, 9, 9, 9. The first digit is O, ones. Second digit is T, and third digit is H, and this is TH. So main question is the number name. So now how will you write the number name? First write in words 9 and see what is the position of this 9. 1000. So write 1000. Go to the third digit. It is again 9. So 9. And above the 9 is 100. So write in 100. Then again 9. अब देखिए, this 9 and this 9 if you combine, so it is going to be 99. So 99. Always in number name, this 2 digit is written in the words simultaneously. That is the number, and that is how you are going to write number name of the all other 4 digit. Now question is that how this number name can be expressed in a expanded form. Just see, there are many ways to write this in. First, 9000, written 9000, plus 900, it is in 900, plus 90, plus 9. That is the one form of expanded form. Expanded form. And also, this number is a short form. I am repeating all these things so small kids should understand clearly. What is that? This is another way to write this expanded form. Just 9 TH plus 9H plus 9T plus 9 ones. It is not G, it is 9. Everywhere it is 9. So now again question comes, the place value and face value. Place value of this, just I am writing here. Here 9 into 1 is equal to 9 is the place value. Place value of the 9 at O, and face value will be 9 itself. Now, what is the face value of this 9 at 10? 9 into 10 is equal to 90. This is the place value. Now, face value is again 9. Face value always determine the digit at that place. This 9 into 100 is equal to 900. This is the place value. And face value is exact 9. Now what is this face value? 9 into 1000 means 1000, 100 means 100, 10 means 10, 1 means 1. 1000 is equal to 9000. And don't miss to give the comma after 3 digits. This is the place value. And this is the face value. I have given example for 1 digit, and the same thing can be repeated for the other place. That is one way of writing number name expanded form, face value and place value. Now I'll take the example 2. Just take the example 2. Here question is write short form or standard form, that form of the following numerals name. Numerals name. Names. For example, A 8,000 AIGHT 8,000 400 155 Then B 3,000 400 415 Then C 9,000 999 Then D is 2,000 25 I will give solution of first, which is very difficult to understand by the students, and I will explain in a very easy way. Solution for D. When such question comes into the picture, then it is very important to see what is the highest order of the digit. Just see here. The order is 2,000. Means 1000 is the highest order digit in the 4-digit number. So first write 1000. After 1000, 100 will come into the picture. Then tens, and this is ones. This should be written first, because you should start from the left hand side so that you know the maximum position of the digit. Now just here, thousands before 2 is there. That means 2 is written here. Sorry. Then forget 25. That means it is two-digit number. You write here 25. And there is no 100, so it should be 0. This is the short form of this numeral name. Here again I will explain the place value, expanded form, and the face value. Just say, here I am writing place value. Of each digit, first digit, you can write here 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Again 2 into 10 is equal to 20. 0 into 100, you have to write 100. And 0, if multiplied by any number, is always 0. So its place value is 0. Then 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000. Again, you don't miss to write the comma. Face value is the similar way. Face value is the digits representing the position. So ones is represented by 5, tens is represented by 2, 0 is represented by 100, and again 2 is represented by 1000. Now then, Sankas, what is the expanded form? As I've told you, 2000, right? 2000 plus 0, 100. 0, 100. And 2 tens. 2 tens. Plus 5 ones. It is a mixture. And if you want to write this separately, you can do like this, is equal to 2000 plus 0 plus 20 plus 5. Another way, 2th plus 0h plus 2t plus 5 ones. Here I am writing ones because if you write O, it will confuse between 5 and 50. So that's how I am doing this thing. Now third example. Example 3. I have explained earlier, but I am doing this in detail. Example 3. Example 3. देखिए, what is one more or next number next after number to the following 4-digit number. Numbers given, and one is done for a student. One is done for a student. Just here. A 4466, B 2437, C 2400, D 9513, E 1920. Just a solution for, I am just giving A. Again, write ones, tens, hundred, thousands. So ones, tens, hundred and th. 4, 4, 6, 6. अब देखिए, one more means you have to add 1. Our next means next number you can get by adding 1. So plus 1 and it is also ones. This is known as the horizontal addition. There is no need for vertical addition, but horizontal addition is important. Like, here it is ones, here it is ones. Add ones to ones. That means just here 6 plus 1. And here it will be again 6. ये O है, ये O है. और इसको ब्रैकेट में कर दीजिए तो O प्लस O हो जाएगा, फिर 4 हो जाएगा, फिर 4 हो जाएगा. TH, H, T. Because you have to add 1. So 1 should be added into ones. That finally becomes 4, 4, 6, 7. O, T, H, T, H. Now, expanded form, similar way, 4000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 7. That is one way. Another way is that 4th plus 4h h plus 60 plus 7 ones. I am repeating this one so for students it should be entered in their mind the meaning of short form, expanded form, more, less, number names, standard form. That is the meaning of one more. Similar way, example is, what is the one less? Example 4. What is one less or before? This can be also be used. One less or before. One more means after. That is very, very important. Before the numbers, before the following numbers. And one is done for a student. अब देखिए नंबर क्या है, A 4029, B 2435, C 5000, D 9540, E 1133. For solution, I will take the complex one 5000. Solution for C. For C. What is that? Again, it is a 4-digit number. So TH HTO. Here 5 0 0 0. Now I have said the less or before, so you have to do minus 1. Generally a student confused here itself. So for this, suppose you want to do the horizontal way, it is difficult for the student. So I will suggest then once there is a 0 at once, they should do vertical. Why? How they will do vertical? I am giving the example here, rough work. Vertical subtraction. Here you cannot write 0 minus 1 like here, confused. If there is 0, then write here TH HTO 5 0 0 0 and 1 is here, it is a minus. अब देखिए, you cannot have 0 minus 1. So you have to borrow. You cannot borrow from here because it is 0. You cannot borrow from here. You can borrow from TH. So अब देखिए TH से borrow करेंगे तो यहाँ पर 10H आ जाएगा because 1 TH is equal to 10H. अब यहाँ से borrow करेंगे तो यहाँ पर 10T आ जाएगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर 9H हो जाएगा. या ध्यान से देखिएगा, अब यहाँ से borrow करेंगे तो यहाँ पर 9T हो जाएगा और यहाँ पर 10O हो जाएगा. अब now it is very simple. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Here it is 9. Here it is 9. Here it is 4. because कट करके यहाँ 4 हो जाएगा. That is how you can. My students got confused when I say what is 1 less than 100, what is less than 1000. So it will be done through the vertical subtraction, not by horizontal, like in example 3. So now it becomes 4999 O T H T H. अब expanded form is very simple. 4900 plus 90 plus 9. O T H. Ask the students for any question, they should not forget to write the position of the digit first, second, third, fourth, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Repeating many times only because of that. Now I'll give the example 4. Example 4. Just see, question is write place value, which I have already done earlier also, and face value of the circle digit in 4-digit number. 4-digit number one is done for you. जल्दीबाजी में सब गड़बड़ा जा रहा है. One is done for you, for students. It is one thing. Because sometimes parents also read this thing. A. अब देखिए 1 2 4 7. B 4200. C 5701. D 7621. E 9547. I've done for you. Circle digit here is 2. If it is asked for circle digit, so you have to only write place value of 2 and face value of the 2, not for others. But for practice, you can do for all. Here it is 4. Here it is 1. Then 7 6 2 and then 5. I am taking for A, solution for A. Again I am advising O T H T H. Write the number 1 2 4 7. अब यहाँ पर ध्यान रखिएगा, बी केयरफुल. 2 is below 100. So simply its place value is 2 into 100 is equal to 200. O T H. I am not writing the number name because everybody know how to write 200. Also expanded form of whole things 1000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 7. This is the place value. Face value is the digit at that place. Digit is 2. That is how. Now, for convenience, the 4-digit number can be expanded form. I am just repeating. In question, there is no 1000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 7. It will give the practice 1th plus 2h plus 4t plus 7. Once I am writing to avoid the confusion between 7 and 70. So that is how. My suggestion is that all these things should be mentioned in every question, whether it is asked or not asked. And these are the expanded form. फॉर्म ये वन फॉर्म है, ये सेकेंड फॉर्म. एनी वन कैन बी रिटन. एग्जाम्पल 5. क्वेश्चन इज इन डिफरेंट वे. राइट. अब देखिए एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. राइट दी expanded form of the following 4-digit numbers. बस अब देखिए A 2 4 6 8, B 5 7 9 0. This is all in short form. C 8,863, and I'm saying that don't miss the comma after 3 digits. D 9,999. I will not go for that. I'll just solve one solution for A. For A. And all this number is a short form. See, generally we ask the student to remember counting tables and ask them to read 100 times. But for the important procedure, we only concentrate to that chapter. No. You continue to write so it can be remembered permanently in their mind. अब देखिए, अब फॉर ए क्या है? राइट TH TNO 2,468. अब स्पेंडेड फॉर्म पूछा है तो बेटर है पहले आपका नंबर नेम भी लिख लीजिए तो अच्छा रहेगा. देखिए 2,468. Why I am suggesting? Because for extra work there is no additional space required in the copy. It can be continued. Now come to the problem. Expanded form 2,000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 8. This is one way. Another way, 2TH plus 4H plus 60 plus 8 ones. This is going to be very useful in addition and subtraction as well. Now, giving the example 6. Example 6. Question can be formed in the another way. Right? Write the standard or short form of the following expanded form. अब क्वेश्चन देखिए उल्टा हो गया है. यानी एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म दिया है उसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है. A 9,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. Or answer you should give in English. B 3,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 9, and you have to give the answer here. I will do 1 for this. Then C, 8,000 plus 5 and do the expanded form. ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट ये क्वेश्चन है. Then D, 2,000 plus 30. You have to give in this expanded form. Then A, B, C, D, E. What is this? 1,000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 0. I will only do for C because it is a complex one. Solution for C. Now we know that it is a 4-digit number. So for that, you write O, T, H, T, H. Pronunciation should be done from the left to left, not left to right. Only in the division, it is from left to right. Otherwise, right to left. Now, just see, there is no any things. 1,000, it should come below the 1,000. 100, sorry, C means this. 8,000. क्यों हमने इसको लिया? ये देखिए 8,000 और फिर आ गया 5. जैसे O, T, H, TH. It is O. Write 5 below O. Rest. That is how you can say it is a short form. This is a short form. Expanded form is here given, and if you want to write the place value of 8, so place value अब देखिए 5 का क्या होगा? 5 into 1. इस 0 का क्या होगा? 0 into 10. This 0 into 100. 8, it will be 8 into 1,000. Very important. Face value. Just see, here it is 5, 0, 0 and 8. So all these examples can be seen like this. Now I will do for this round of number. Briefly I have discussed it, but here again I am giving for the 4 digit because it is a 4-digit problem and example. So the next is the example 7. Example 7. Example 7 is a round of number. A round of number. Number nearest to 1,000 to 1,000 are the following 4-digit number. Numbers. And one is done for you. डन फॉर यू। फॉर यू में पेरेंट्स भी आ जाएंगे और टीचर्स भी आ जाएंगे एंड स्टूडेंट भी आ जाएंगे। अब देखिए नंबर क्या क्या है। ए 4655, बी 'चलिए इसको ऐसे करते हैं, थोड़ा सिंपल वे में कर देते हैं। यहाँ पे इसको मिटा करके एंड कर देते हैं, दो दो नंबर देते हैं तो इट विल बी इजियर फॉर एंड 43345. I will tell you why I am giving two number. Then B 5020 and 590 and 0. C 8375 and 8567 and D is 9199 and 9720. अब देखें यहां पे दिया हुआ है, दोनों को दिया है, दोनों से आपको नंबर लाइन से करना है, ध्यान रख लीजिए। अर्लियर आई देयर आर टू मेथड, फर्स्ट नंबर लाइन एंड देयर इज द वंस, टेंस, 100,000. जस्ट से I am taking solution of D. For D. अब नंबर लाइन कैसे डिसाइड किया जाता है, देखिए 9199 नियरेस्ट 1000 इज 9000. सो नंबर लाइन शुड बी line should be from 9,000. Then to what? So nearest 9720 is 10,000. So to 10,000 nearest. So how you draw the number line? Just say number line, I am suggesting it is a 4-digit number. Number line starts from here 0 to 10,000. Draw any line up to 10,000. Don't worry about that. For that, the middle point is 500. So approximately 500 you write here. 5,000. अब देखिए, और हमने कहा था कि 900 से शुरू करें, तो चलिए 900 से शुरू कर लेते हैं. 900 क्योंकि स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 9,000 होना चाहिए. 9,000 समझ गए? स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 9,000 टू 10,000. तो बहुत बड़ी लकीर खींचने की जरूरत नहीं है, छोटा लकीर में भी काम चल जाएगा. अब देखिए, अब इसके बाद देखिए 9,000, 100, 200, 3,000, 4,000. By mistake I have said 100, but it is 1,000. So write 9,100, 9,200, 9,300, 9,400. नहीं 9,000 और ये 9500 होगा. बाई मिस्टेक आई हैव रिटन 5000 बिकॉज देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ 5000. ये आपका ये गलत यहाँ पर हो गया है. 9000 और 5000, तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 9000 9500. यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 9600. यहाँ हो जाएगा 9700. यहाँ हो जाएगा 9800. यहाँ हो जाएगा 9900 एंड 10000. समझ में आ गया? सो it is important to choose the lower number and the highest number as far as line number is concerned. Now just see, question is 9199. कहाँ पड़ेगा? ये 9100 और 200 के बीच में पड़ेगा. तो आप वर्टिकल लाइन यहाँ खींच दीजिए और लिख दीजिए 9199. अब देखिए 9720 कहाँ पड़ेगा? इसके बाद पड़ेगा. अब विजुअली देख सकते हैं कि कौन नंबर किसके पास है. तो अब ये देखिए, इसका जो है नियरेस्ट 1000 to 9199. Nearest number is 9000. अब देखिए, again I am talking the nearest 1000 to 9720. इसका नियरेस्ट कौन पड़ेगा? 10,000. This is the first method. Here I write first method. Solution for the, I am writing first method. अगर स्टेप लिखना है तो स्टेप है, स्टेप 1 इज ड्रा द नंबर लाइन. स्टेप 2 is this. So first method here. Second method is most easy, which I have already told to you. अब देखें, मैंने यहां इसी के बगल में लिख रहा हूं सेकेंड मेथड. अब मैं नियरेस्ट टू इसका लिख रहा हूं. नियरेस्ट 1000 to 4 डिजिट नंबर क्या है? 9199. यहां जरा ध्यान से देखिएगा, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, क्योंकि नियरेस्ट 1000 कह रहा है तो 1000 को यहां कट कर दीजिए. OTH. नियरेस्ट 100 है तो 100 को कट कर दीजिए. लेकिन कट करने के बाद देखिए नेक्स्ट डिजिट क्या है? H. तो स्टेप 1 यहां देखिए. नाउ 1 is less than 5. 5 is important. इसका मतलब होता है मीन्स देन H और T और O Where it is. ध्यान सुनिएगा. If h is less than 5, only it can be 4, it can be 3, it can be 2, it can be 1. Then all this becomes 0. Then write HOT 0. तो क्या हो जाएगा? अब इसमें 0 0 लिख दीजिए, तो ये नंबर हो जाएगा 9000 OTH और TH. बात समझ गए? वेरी क्लियरली. अगर 1000 को पूछ रहा है तो 1000 को क्रॉस करिए और फिर उसके पहले वाले पाई H. इफ इट इज लेस देन 5, ऑल विल बी 0. नाउ नियरेस्ट टू सेकेंड डिजिट आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग यू. ये हो गया आपका जो है A हो गया. इसको मैं मिटा दे रहा हूं. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड मेथड. सेकेंड मेथड आई ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट दिस वन. लेकिन नंबर लाइन से पूछा तो अब देखिए दूसरा क्या है. अब देखिए नियरेस्ट रेस्ट टू 1000 ऑफ 9720 OTH TH. Here also you have to cut 1000. चलो ये 1000 कट ही कर दो. ऊपर करना चाहिए. अब यहां क्या बचा? उसके पहले 7 पड़ा तो स्टेप 1 7H इफ ग्रेटर देन 5. ध्यान दीजिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. ग्रेटर देन 5 इवन इक्वल टू 5. ग्रेटर देन 5 आर इक्वल टू 5. देन add 1 to TH which is 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Step 2, replace 9 by, देखो यहाँ जल्दीबाजी में गड़बड़ हो रहा है, मिटा रहा हूँ जिससे कि कंफ्यूजन ना हो. स्टेप 2 क्या होगा? रिप्लेस 9 by 10 और रिप्लेस करें तो क्या हो जाएगा? ये 10 0 0 0 OTH TH and TTH. Just see same result. I will recommend that you should use the second method. For the children it is easier because here if they are intelligent they can follow this also. अब लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं बता रहा हूं, इसका एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूं 8. इट इज द लास्ट एग्जाम्पल. लास्ट एग्जाम्पल 8. अब देखिए इसमें बहुत सिंपल चीजें हैं. फिल इन द बॉक्स with greater or less or equal in the following. इसको ऐसे कर लीजिए, so it will be easy. अब देखिए A 4 5 8 0 2 4 3 6, B 1 4 7 0 and 3 2 9 0. A. C 6 5 4 0 2 3 1 9. D 7 4 1 0 9 6 4 0. अब देखिए मैं किसी एक का एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूं। अब इसका लीजिए ए का जो है, दो एग्जाम्पल दूंगा। सॉल्यूशन फॉर ए, नथिंग, यू राइट 4 5 8 0 2 4 3 6 O T H T H O T H T H। कामा देना मत भूलिए, देखिएगा हमसे भी छूट जा रहा है, बट यू मेंटेन इट। अब देख, ये कंपेयर ही करना है, इसको कंपैरिजन ही बोलेंगे। आप शॉर्ट में लिख लें तो ये कंपैरिजन है। क्या कंपैरिजन है कि इन दोनों में कौन बड़ा है कौन छोटा है या बराबर है, उसके लिए आपको फोर्थ डिजिट कंसीडर करना पड़ेगा। पहले TH लिखिए, यहाँ 4 लिखिए, यहाँ TH लिखिए, यहाँ 2 लिखिए। अगर इनमें से कोई बड़ा है, फोर्थ पोजीशन में ये बड़ा है, तो भी इसलिए कि ये नंबर भी बड़ा होगा। ठीक है। अब देखिए, मान लेते हैं कि TH वैल्यू सेम हो जा रही है, तो फिर 100 पर आइए। 100 सेम हो जा रहा है, 10 पर आइए। 10 सेम हो जाए तो 1 पर आइए। ठीक है। अब एक मैं हाइपोथेटिकल क्वेश्चन ले रहा हूं, ऐसे ले रहा हूं। ये कोई एक, जैसे ये डी दिया है, मैं ई कर दे रहा हूं क्वेश्चन। ये 4 5 3 1 है, इसको भरना है। क्या करना है? 4 5 3 भी सेम है और यहां पर 0 हो जा रहा है, तो ई को कैसे सोल्यूशन करेंगे? ई को कैसे ब्लॉक डायग्राम बनाएंगे? 4 5 3 1 O T H T H, कामा करिए, यहां जगह छोड़िए, यहां करिए 4 5 3 0। अब इसके लिए 2-4 स्टेप आगे जाना है। जैसे ए करिए, ये कंपेरिजन TH का हो रहा है। TH 4 = TH 4। अब इससे हम कंपेयर कर ही नहीं सकते हैं। बी पर जाइए, 5H = 5H। अब देखिए यहां पर भी क्या हो गया, H 5 है, तो इससे भी कंपेयर नहीं हो सकता है, इससे भी कंपेयर नहीं हो, क्योंकि बराबर है। और सी पर आइए। अब सी पर क्या है कि T पर भी 3 है और यहाँ T पर भी 3 है, इस पर भी कंपेयर नहीं हो सकता। फिर आप D पाइए, 1। अब देखिए यहाँ O पर क्या है, 1 है, यहाँ क्या है, 0 है। 1 0 में 1 बड़ा है, तो भी इसलिए है दिस बिकम ग्रेटर देन दिस। Thank you very much. This is the end. It has taken more time because more inputs has been given for this section of the mathematics. Thank you very much.